Welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here go to the sounds and vibration section. Right now you can see the ringtone section right there, and just to change your ringtone volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side by this way. And also we got the second way. You just can go here to the your volume buttons on the right side of your phone and tap on to one from these buttons, and you'll see the volume panel, and just go here to these three dots, and by the same way you can swipe to the up or to the down with your finger this panel, and you'll just change your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.